Hello, and welcome to Quick Tips from MSC Industrial Supply, a show where we invite the manufacturing community to share their expertise with us. Think about how often workers have to remove PPE just to communicate on the job. Even a few unprotected moments can add up, impacting both safety and productivity. That's why solutions like those from 3M that help workers stay protected and connected are so important. Let's take a look.
When it comes to worker health and safety, every moment matters. When exposed to workplace hazards, wearing your PPE 100% of the time is crucial for health and safety. Wear time matters. A proper fit helps ensure protection. But what happens when workers need to leave the work floor and remove PPE to communicate? Precious moments are wasted, which may impact production levels. Workers need to keep PPE on to help ensure their health and safety. If workers remove their PPE while working in hazardous areas for a few moments, their protection level may be compromised. Even after PPE is replaced, it may take longer than expected for protection levels to return. What happens if this is repeated several times during the shift? For half-face piece respirators, not wearing your respirator for just 3 minutes per hour can reduce the effective protection factor by 30%. Wear time matters. Using PPE that enables workers to communicate effectively in hazardous work environments without the need to remove their protection or leave the work area is essential for maintaining their health and safety. Wearing their PPE continuously helps maintain a consistent level of protection. 3M Protective Communication Solutions support wearing PPE continuously to help maintain both safety and productivity. Every moment matters.
For more 3M insights and resources, visit www.mscdirect.com/knowledge-center/3M. When protection and communication work together, it's easier to stay focused, stay productive, and most importantly, stay safe. Thanks to 3M for helping bring smarter, more connected protection to the job. See you next time on Quick Tips.